Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 30. 도보자, which means see you again. Again, the word 도보자 is see you again, and it is not as immediate or urgent as see you later. The expression 도보자 is composed of 3 syllables, and this is actually composed of 2 words. The first word is do. This is written with a double dikkat and an O character. The second word, boja, is composed of bo, which is written with a B character and an O character, and a ja, which is written with a jiut and an A character. 도보자. And with that, you've just learned 도보자. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 20 to 29. But don't forget our word for today, word number 30, 도보자, which means see you again. The first word for our review is word number 29, ito pa, which means see you later. Word number 28 is 그냥, which means just because. Word number 27 is 빨리, which means quickly or fast. Word number 26 is 잠깐만, which means just a second or wait a minute. Word number 25 is 고마워요, which is a polite way of saying thank you. Word number 24 is Chingu. This is a Korean term for friend. Word number 23 is 그만해. This is an informal way of saying stop it or enough. Word number 22 is 좋다. This is used to say that's great or that's good in Korean. Word number 21 is 감사해요. This is another polite way of saying thank you. And the last word for our review is word number 20, 고맙습니다. This is a polite way of saying thank you. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.